क्या बोलते हैं उसको स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द मिलते हैं. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel.
And it goes a little something like
So basically in today's video I'm going to be answering questions that boys are embarrassed or afraid to ask girls. So थोड़ा सा disclaimer देती हूँ मैं कि whatever I'm going to be answering is based on my experience and my knowledge of girls. So it might or might not be true for all the girls, but it is definitely true for me and most of the girls that I know. Without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get into this video. By the way, I am wearing eyelashes today. I don't know if you can make out. So starting off with the first question, are eyebrows really that big a deal? Yeah, yes, eyebrows are a bigger deal for us, mostly because we girls like to look good, like yeah. So अभी ऐसे occasion होता है, so मेरा तो ऐसा है कि I need to get my eyebrows done because properly threaded नहीं होती हैं, so it looks very messy. And when you do your eyebrows, it just frames your face, it just lifts the look. That's why I think eyebrows are bigger deal for us as girls. But मैंने बहुत टाइम देखा है कि लड़कों को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता eyebrows से. I don't even think they know that we thread our eyebrows. I don't know. So next question, do you expect us to always make the first move? Yes, we do expect you to make the first move. I think that is because yeah, we want boys to come and approach us. What do men store what do women store in their handbags? Honestly guys, मैं बताऊँ इसका आंसर, I don't carry handbags. Only when I have to go on some trips or some vacation या कोई पार्टी में जाना हो मुझे, तो that is the time when I carry a handbag, a proper handbag. नहीं तो मेरे पास वो छोटे से वॉलेट रहते ना, which mostly men carry, थोड़े गर्लिश टाइप के obviously, not like the men proper wallet. So I carry my wallet in which I have all the cards and cash kept. That is all that I carry, and maybe हाथ में एक rubber band. When I'm going to a party, that is when I'm carrying a handbag जिसमें मैं मेरा comb, lipstick, maybe some touch-up powder, Vaseline, lip balm, that is very important, and also some sanitary things जो emergency में काम आ सकता है. Why do you always go for bad guys? Do we we are attracted towards bad boys because of the curiosity, because of the mystery that they carry, and but honestly guys, at the end of the day we want to settle with a nice guy. We want that bad guy to turn into a nice guy. Like they should be like nice to us, like exclusively nice to us, so that we feel special. At least that is what I feel. I don't know if it holds true for all the girls, but yeah, that is it. Next question, why do women spend so much time in the shower? I think regardless of the gender, I think boys and girls both can spend a lot of time in shower, especially I have seen a lot of guys, especially my brothers, who spend a lot of time in the shower, more than me. But if I have to really answer this question, I would say we like to stay clean. Okay, so next question is, what does I'm fine really mean? We want the guy to know that it was his mistake, and we want them to know that we are not fine. We want them to
know it. We just want them to know it. That is it.
There is no mystery to I am fine. We just want them to know that we are not fine. But honestly, ऐसा भी होता है कि when we are saying I'm fine, we are really fine. Okay, so you need to figure it out for yourself. Like if you have done something to hurt us, then probably you should go for a sorry. So you should basically you should apologize, yaar, if you have done anything wrong. Apologize karo, khatam karo. That is how you're gonna get your girl to start talking to you. Basically make her feel more comfortable to you, so that she can actually say that she is not fine. Yeah, that is the key to it. Make your communication game strong. Please do it. Why do girls wear so much or spend so much time and money on makeup? Because we can, because it's our choice, because we like to. मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियोस में भी एक वीडियो में मैंने कहा था कि इट्स माई स्किन राइट एंड अगर मैं उस पर मेकअप लगाऊँ ना लगाऊँ उससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है किसी को भी. द ओनली पर्सन दैट शुड गेट बॉदर्ड बाय माई मेकअप इज़ me and nobody else. Also, there are a lot of girls who don't like to wear makeup, and some girls who can just do fine with kajal and lipstick, and some girls who love to go over the top with the makeup. लड़कियों को makeup पसंद ही है और लड़कियाँ बहुत time spend करती हैं तैयार होने के लिए. No, it is not true. Like I literally take 15 to 20 minutes to get ready, like outfit से लेके makeup से लेके hair तक मुझे ज़्यादा time नहीं चाहिए रहता है. Do girls find it attractive if a guy claims to have a lot of options? No. Who doesn't like to feel special? Tell me. Who would like to know that their guy has a lot of options? No. Nope. Nappy. What do girls do in the bathroom, or why do they go in groups? What do we do in bathroom? We do the same thing everybody does. Oh my god, why is this even a question there? I don't understand. And why do we go in groups? We girls like to have a little gossip chats, a little bit of touch ups, a little bit of lipstick check, hair check, makeup check, and a little mirror selfies, group fees. Do girls honestly like the nice guys? Yes, we do. Even if we are attracted to bad guys, at the end of the day we want to settle with nice guys. Who would like to be with the guy who is not good, like who doesn't treat them well? Who would wanna be with them? Yeah, just tell me that. Every girl wants a nice guy. Every girl wants to be treated right. One makeup product you can't do without. It has to be concealer. Concealer it has to be. Definitely. Do you ever lie about being on periods? All the time. All the time. I think ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना जो हम लोग कहीं हमें नहीं जाना, कहीं पार्टी में नहीं जाना, कोई फैमिली गेट टुगेदर में नहीं जाना, ये चीज़ है cramps and periods that work always and are always used by us. At least it is used by me. I have lied about my periods a lot of time, and I think most of the girls also do lie about it. Last question, will you ever date a guy who is shorter than you in height? Okay, first of all, it is very unlikely for a guy to be like shorter than me because I am myself very petite. I am like 5'2" or 5'3". So if a guy is shorter than me, I don't think guys that short exist. and if there is a guy who's like shorter than me but he's really nice, I really like him. So I think, yeah, I guess, maybe, I don't know if that situation ever comes. But everybody has their type. So my type is like tall guys. So I'm not much into short guys. So no, or maybe. I don't know. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys also got to know more about girls, and girls, tell me if I was right. So you can comment down and let me know how did you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.